Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So I have one more thing that just hit me about coaches in the cleaning business industry. And that is there's lots of them, right? Well, I've noticed though that sometimes coaches want to move from being in boots on the ground in an industry like cleaning. They want to start moving up towards just generalized entrepreneurial business, or they want to keep moving from there up to just helping people in general with their life. So you'll sometimes see the movement from helping cleaning businesses make money to helping entrepreneurial businesses in general just be very motivated to possibly even what do they call it, life coaches, and trying to have you feel better about your life in general. What do I want to make a comment about that? Maybe there's good reasons for it, but it is kind of funny to me. It always reminds me, see, because I think it's harder to start boots on the ground, really trying to help a cleaning business become profitable and stable and happy and doing well. That's hard. That's really a practical thing. It reminds me, and I'll probably say this wrong, but I once heard someone tell a little story about how it's harder to be a governor than a president. It's harder to be the mayor of a city or a town than it is to be a governor. It's harder to be the member of a school board than maybe the mayor of a city. It's harder to be a member of a neighborhood or to be a parent than the person on the school board. What was the point they were trying to say? The further down you get to the real activity that's going on, where real results are monetized and happening, sometimes the harder it is. But that's where we live in our cleaning business. We're really trying to move that forward. So while I understand why folks want to get to the more generalized things like motivation and and attitude, I appreciate those things are important. They are. But I really do appreciate the cleaning business coaches that stay true to helping cleaning businesses become successful, growing, and stable, and stay in that market, really trying to move cleaning businesses forward. Till next time, remember, you can do this.